I'm Jo and I'm your online workstation assessor. Today we are looking at working sitting on a gym ball. We're going to look at the pros and the cons of it and whether or not it's a good idea. Now where we're filming at the moment is about 3 degrees, hence the kind of all bundled up look, and if you start to see me shiver, don't panic, I will get through to the end. So what are the pros of actually sitting on a gym ball at the desk? Well, first and foremost, you're actually helping to build core strength. Because it's an unstable surface, you're moving the whole time, so you have to engage your core muscles to stay upright. It also helps as well to burn a few more calories than if you were just sitting at a desk. Okay, so what are the downsides of sitting on a gym ball at a desk? So, unless you get incredibly lucky, the chances are the ball won't be the perfect height for the desk. And so what that means is that when you're sitting at the desk, your elbow is going to be below the work surface. So as you're working, you'll have to lift your shoulders to actually work comfortably. Now that puts more strain onto the upper back. The other huge downside to a gym ball is the fact there's no back support as well. So as you get tireder, your posture actually gets worse, and so you end up working like this without having any back support whatsoever. So that is the main downsides. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the alert button.